This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, September 14th. Overview, we have a weak cold front passage today into Tuesday. Cooler temperatures expected with the cold front. Then Wednesday into Thursday we'll see some wetter conditions coming into the region. Friday into Saturday will be drier with temperatures rebounding. And then another weather system expected around Sunday into early next week. So through Tuesday, weak cold front, mainly some light showers, best chances in the northern mountains. You see around 1/10 of an inch possible of rain. Confidence is high and impacts are expected to be low with this system. For Wednesday night into Thursday, this is where we have the highest confidence of some more appreciable rainfall. You can see in the extreme eastern portions of Washington to Iowa Panhandle, we're expecting around 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch possible. We also will see a chance of thunderstorms on Thursday with this next system. And any thunderstorms that do develop could produce some heavier rainfall. Our confidence in having thunderstorms is low, but there is the potential for some impacts if we do see some heavier rainfall. And this is mainly for around the recent burn scars. We could see the possibility of flash flooding or debris flows. Our main area of concern will be where in that last graphic I highlighted where the thunderstorms will be possible, so the northeast mountains and Idaho Panhandle where we have some fires burning in those areas. We could see some moderate rainfall intensities for the Wednesday into Wednesday night period. We have some moderate confidence in those type of rainfall intensities, but our higher rainfall intensities would be more possible with the thunderstorms, but our confidence is low because we're not exactly sure how much thunderstorm activity we're going to see, if we'll see any at all. But something that we'll be keeping our eye on, we could see some impacts, just not a lot of confidence. Then as we go into next week, or looking into the Sunday period into next week, we could see a stronger cold front come through. Now this graphic here, what we're looking at is moisture transport, and this is actually looking at Saturday afternoon. These red and orange values show greater moisture transport, and around this time it's directed into British Columbia. But if we were to go another 24 to 36 hours, looking at around Sunday night, this is how it looks. That moisture is now over the region, but you can see there's a bit of a weakening trend between Saturday afternoon into Sunday night. So there is some model uncertainty, but there is the potential for some moderate rainfall accumulations, and this will lead to a heightened concern for some more minor mud and debris flows around this period, around the recent burn scars. We could also see windy conditions behind the front on Monday. There's confidence is moderate that we will see a cold front passage around this time, but we're still fairly uncertain or have low confidence in the details, such as the timing, precipitation amount, wind speeds, and associated impacts. The 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, so this is valid September 22nd through the 28th. They have better than average confidence or better possibility for below normal temperatures during this period, and better than normal chances of wetter conditions during next week as well. This concludes the briefing for this week. Thank you for listening.